Okay, we're gonna put some deviled eggs together, but you're also gonna have a little devilment in that egg because that quail egg is going in the middle of that thing. You know, ain't nothing like a good little quail egg. Actually, that quail egg got more protein and more goodness in it and health food than one chicken egg has. So if you don't believe that, Google it. Then we gotta do the little quail egg, bust it in half. Then we're gonna take the chicken egg and bust it in half. The difference is we're gonna take the little yolk out of this thing and put it in the bowl. That was quick with the camera one.
And then we're going to put some of the yellow squash chow chow in it?
Yeah, just sprinkle just a little tad in there.
Get a little of that pickle juice in there.
Then we're going to put some of this swamp dust. Gotta have a little dust. Sprinkle a little dust. Well, we're not doing the full egg, man. That ought to be a couple of 3 dozen or more.
Be here all day.
Yeah, all day. I'm going to put a little of this salad dressing stuff in there. Mash them things together. Get all that incorporated. I think I need a little bit more salad dressing to it. There we go. It don't take much, just a little bit. Make it break that powdered flake into kind of a paste type. Oh, we're in business here.
All right, so we add in some of the yolk, which is the chicken egg yolk plus the yellow squash chow chow and a little of the mayonnaise or salad dressing or whatever you want to use.
Get it down.
And some swamp dust.
Get it down in that little hole. Huh?
Leave a little room to go so you can put the quail egg in there.
Quail egg and stick around the edge.
And that's not just a regular quail egg, that is a Gator Pickles Pickled Quail Egg. This is some of that Cajun garlic hot sauce, which is an amazing medium hot sauce. There you go.
What a great little party dish, huh? And to find these products, you can go to creativecajunCooking.com, and the recipes will be on our site at theoutdoorkitchenshow.com. Now stay tuned, we'll have more for you here on The Outdoor Kitchen Show.